When you think about basic research, you never really know where that's going to go. For example, Einstein didn't know that when he was figuring out special relativity that would lead to big breakthroughs in technology later on.
You know, space science, you might wonder, is it worth the money? I mean, should we be spending all this money when there are a lot of problems right here on Earth? I mean, you could have asked that at any point in history.
Very cutting-edge technologies are developed for use in space, which then later on turn out to be commercially viable.
You could have gone to the guy who was running Vienna, 200 years ago and said, you're paying money to this guy, Wolfgang Mozart, to write music. We got people dying in the streets of hunger. It was still worth it. It's always worth it to do some things that don't have any immediate benefit, but that expand our horizons and teach us things. And in the case of the space program, not only do we learn something about the history of Mars or the history of the solar system or how the universe came into being, but we also get some spin-off technology. So those are all practical things.
We've been having humans working in space now for a few decades, especially people who go aboard the International Space Station. They will start to learn all kinds of things about the human body. We've been learning, for example, about how when you're in this weightless environment that's on the space station, the human body loses bone mass because your bones don't have the normal load that they have to deal with.
But really, the real answer to the question of what is the benefit of space technology, space exploration is we don't know. We don't know what the benefits are. And that's why it's so important to do. If we knew all the answers, we'd be a static and dead society.